Oruguuto rukozirwe muri district ya Ntoruko nurwingana kilometers umushanju kandi rukozirwe ahansi y'entebekanisa eya Local Economic Growth Strategy legs.
Actually, after the budget, now we're in the budgeting process for 2025-2026. Please put these words, they look new.
Haruha masiko ngo ruguto rwaba rwahwire ebyentambura nibyije kuterera wagerageranisa no kubatwira umushyo keki.
Now this road, some of you look at it, 7 kilometers, it looks small, short distance, but the quality and the amount of work we have to do for a road like this in this side of the terrain, you have to put a lot of layers.
Ede Kabugo omuhwezi wa mukuru w'entebe ya katana bwa district ya Ntoruko atenderize government habwo kubombekera rugutoro agumize ngo nurwija ko hwera abantu okutambuza ibyemishuburo yabo. Hina batora tuganireho nabo kandi ibintu kushemererwa ahabwo buherezo ubu.
Okuchoka bava bakumalia bori kifa. Abo yinjye urukundo rw'akakoze. Abantu bakabaza karabaza kuno. Kandi imagine zimwe 7.0 muntu ko kunoka. Abonda kugeremia turusi mu house. Abo kuba norora urukundo hina urukundo ya kamere ati umuntu bakubana kuwashinga kugera mupa ariko buri wese yabishobora nawe asabana kuzo wingi akataka kasiyao
amakuru agagasha kwa Jonathan Tsingwire.